What if some of the most powerful health benefits came in the tiniest packages? Meet broccoli sprouts. These delicate greens are actually baby broccoli, harvested just a few days after sprouting. Despite their size, they're nutritional powerhouses, containing far more of certain beneficial compounds than mature broccoli. Their secret? A concentrated dose of plant nutrients that help protect and energize our bodies. Scientists and health enthusiasts are excited about these sprouts for good reason. In just a few days, they transform from seed to superfood loaded with unique bioactive compounds. Let's dive into what makes these tiny greens so extraordinary. Broccoli sprouts come from the same seeds as regular broccoli, but they're harvested just 3 to 5 days after germination. At this stage, they're packed with glucoraphanin, a compound that's the precursor to sulforaphane, a powerful health booster. When you chew or chop the sprouts, an enzyme called myrosinase converts glucoraphanin into sulforaphane. This process is nature's way of arming the young plant with protection, and we humans benefit from this process as well. Research from Johns Hopkins University found that broccoli sprouts contain up to 100 times more glucoraphanin than mature broccoli. By eating the sprouts, we tap into the plant's own defense system, gaining a concentrated dose of their natural protection. It's a remarkable example of how plant biology can directly support human health. Sulforaphane, the star compound in broccoli sprouts, is celebrated for its cancer-fighting abilities. It helps block the growth of cancer cells and encourages damaged cells to self-destruct. Sulforaphane also activates NRF2, a protein that boosts your body's detox and antioxidant defenses. This means better protection against toxins, free radicals, and chronic inflammation, key factors in many diseases. The anti-inflammatory power of sulforaphane supports heart health, joint function, and more. And because sprouts are so concentrated, just a small serving delivers a meaningful health boost. It's a simple, natural way to strengthen your body's defenses. The benefits of broccoli sprouts go beyond cancer prevention. Sulforaphane may support brain health, with earlier research suggesting potential for neuroprotection and even benefits for autism spectrum disorder. It helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, which could lower the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. For your heart, sulforaphane lowers oxidative stress, supports healthy blood vessels, and may help manage blood pressure. In the gut, it promotes a balanced microbiome and strengthens the gut barrier, supporting digestion and immunity. All these effects combine to boost your immune system and overall vitality. Adding broccoli sprouts to your diet is a small change with big potential rewards. Broccoli sprouts have a mild, fresh taste with a subtle peppery kick, making them easy to add to almost any meal. Eat them raw to get the most benefit. Toss them on salads, sandwiches, wraps, or blend into smoothies. Growing your own is simple. Soak broccoli sprouting seeds in a jar, rinse and drain twice daily, and in just a few days you'll have fresh sprouts. Once they're a couple inches long with green leaves, they're ready to eat. Just rinse and drain a couple times per day to keep them fresh and store in the fridge. Homegrown sprouts are fresher, cheaper, and always on hand. With minimal effort, you can enjoy a steady supply of these nutritional powerhouses. It's a rewarding way to boost your health from your own kitchen. Give broccoli sprouts a try. Your body will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more health tips. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.